Welcome. This is a 5-minute morning yoga flow to help get us nice and energized for the day ahead. Let's begin taking the knees nice and wide for a wide-legged child's pose, so maybe mat width distance. If that feels good, if not, keep the knees together and we'll go ahead and begin walking the hands forward, resting the forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat. Nice slow inhales here, slow exhales, and with your exhales, start to sigh out any of that tension in the shoulders and the upper back. No clenching in the fingers or toes. When you're ready, go ahead and begin to walk the hands towards the left side of the mat. So just a really gentle side stretch here, drawing the breath into that right rib cage. So we're really expanding that rib cage. And with your exhales, no tension in that right shoulder. Walking the hands back to center, take them to the right. We'll begin to draw the breath into that left rib cage. So left side body really expanding, creating that space. On the exhale, begin to soften that left shoulder. Inhale back to center. Tucking the toes, begin to send the hips up for down dog. Walk it out here, so just bending one leg at a time, whatever feels good. And no tension in the neck, just let the head be really heavy here. On an inhale, the left leg lifts. Exhale, stepping it between the hands for low lunge. Inhale your hands to your knees, or go ahead and reach overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale, reach overhead. Exhale, plant the hands, step back for plank. Lower chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Once again, walk it out here, bend the legs if that feels good. Inhaling, the right leg lifts. Exhale, step it between the hands for low lunge. Take your hands to your knees. Or inhale, reach up overhead. On the exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale, reach overhead. Exhale, plant the hands. Plank, lower into chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Bending the knees here if that feels good. Shake the head. Inhale, step to the top of the mat, half lift, nice flat back. Exhale, bending the knees, fold, grabbing opposite elbows here for ragdoll. No tension in the neck, allowing your torso to rest on your thighs here. On your next inhale, come to standing, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, hands to your sides. Inhale, reaching up overhead. Exhale, hands to your sides. Last one, inhale, reaching up overhead. Exhale, take the hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.